this is Jason, and I am out here doing an inspection. You know, sometimes you just find some very interesting items. So what I want to show you here is, you can kind of see behind my head, there's this nice concrete overhang, which makes a walkway above me next to this house. And the cool things, you can see some rebar sticking out of it. But it ties in over here at the house, and a really cool metal lintel right above this door. And if you look very, very close here at the center, it's drooping down a good inch or so, squeezing the top of that door frame down. This is definitely something, when I see an item like this, gotta refer them to a structural engineer to take a look and make sure that there's nothing wrong inside that concrete and that door lintel. Thanks for watching.